In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a photography slideshow in Canva. Whether you're creating a personal photo slideshow, a professional presentation, or something to share with friends and family, adding the right music can transform your project into something truly memorable. Canva makes this process simple and intuitive, even if you're new to the platform. So let's get started and walk through the steps to bring your slideshow to life with music. First, head over to Canva's official website and either log into your account or sign up for a free one if you don't already have access. If you don't yet have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up quickly and start following along. Once you're logged in, you'll be on Canva's homepage, which is where all the magic begins. Now, locate the Create a Design button at the top of the homepage. It's big, bold, and hard to miss. Give that a click, and a menu will appear with a variety of design options to choose from. For this tutorial, select Presentation from the list. This option is perfect for creating a visually engaging slideshow format. Once you've selected Presentation, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Take your time browsing through Canva's vast library of templates. These templates serve as the visual framework for your slideshow, giving you a polished and professional look to start with. Don't worry, you can customize the design later to make it more personal or to better suit your project. After selecting your template, it's time to add your photos to the presentation. You can do this in two ways, either by uploading your own images or by selecting from Canva's impressive built-in photo library. To upload your own images, simply click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and drag your photos into Canva. Alternatively, if you'd like to explore Canva's library, use the search bar to look for photos that fit your theme. Once your photos are ready, drag and drop them onto the slides. Now that your slideshow is taking shape visually, let's move on to adding music. On the left-hand side of your screen, locate and click the Elements tab. This is where you'll find all kinds of creative assets to enhance your project. In the search bar at the top, type in free music and hit enter. This will pull up a list of music tracks that are free to use within Canva. Take a moment to scroll through the options and preview the tracks by clicking the play button next to each one. Choose a track that complements the mood and vibe of your slideshow. For example, if your photos are lighthearted and cheerful, pick an upbeat tune. If they're more sentimental, go for a softer emotional track. Adding the right music can significantly enhance the overall feel of your presentation, so it's worth spending a little time here. Once you've found the perfect track, click on it to add it to your presentation. You'll notice that the music automatically appears in a timeline view below your slides. This timeline makes it easy to adjust the audio and sync it with your slideshow. Next, let's make sure the audio matches the length of your slideshow. To do this, click and drag the end of the track in the timeline to align it with the last slide. If your song is too short for your slideshow, you can loop it to extend its duration. On the other hand, if the song is too long, simply trim it down to fit your project. This step ensures that the music flows seamlessly from start to finish. Before wrapping up, preview your slideshow to make sure everything looks and sounds just right. Click the play button at the top to watch your presentation in full, paying close attention to how the music aligns with your slides. If you notice any issues, like the audio being too loud or the mood not quite matching, this is the time to make those final adjustments. You can tweak the volume of the track or even swap it out for a different one if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added music to your photography slideshow in Canva. By following these steps, you've created a dynamic and engaging presentation that combines visuals and sound in a way that resonates with your audience. If you have any questions or want to share your experience using Canva, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.